Okay, let's just jump right in. If you've been looking for easy ways to save some money, you've probably seen the UseMe app pop up.
Oh, absolutely. It's everywhere.
It's exploded, really. And the promise is it's pretty compelling. Earn cash, get discounts, all just from making your normal everyday payments.
It sounds like the perfect financial hack, which is exactly why we're here. We've gone deep into the source material, user reviews, financial blogs, all of it.
So what's our mission today?
The mission is to figure out if this is a real, transparent earning tool or if the risk, the frustration and lost money just isn't worth the reward.
Right. Because on paper, it looks great. You pay your phone bill, you top up your transit card, and the app is supposed to give you cash back or a bonus.
It sounds like free money.
Exactly. Just for switching how you pay.
But here's where it gets complicated. The sources, they really point to this huge gap between the promise and what actually happens. Inconsistency, a total lack of it. So for some people, sure, basic payments go through just fine. But for many others, it's a story of instability, especially when rewards are on the line.
And we're not talking about just, like, a small glitch here and there. The sources mention stuck transactions. What's actually happening there?
Yeah, it seems to be a core problem. Say you pay a $100 utility bill. If it gets stuck, users say it just vanishes into this black hole.
With no support to fix it.
Very little. Unlike a bank, there isn't that robust 24/7 support to push it through or give you a quick refund. And the cashback that never arrives, that's often tied to these very tricky promotional codes.
So there's a catch.
A big one. The server gets overloaded, your payment goes through a second too late, and poof, the bonus is gone.
Yeah.
So your success really depends on luck.
Which is a massive red flag for any financial tool. So let's talk about the other big claim, that you can actually earn money with this.
Right. And you really have to draw a line between getting some cash back on a purchase and earning a real stable income.
And UseMe is not that.
It is unequivocally not a work and get money app. The sources are so clear on this. Any money you see is completely sporadic and depends entirely on you chasing those promotions.
That feels like a critical distinction. If it all hinges on promos, the whole thing is inherently unstable.
Exactly. And even if you do manage to hit a bonus, the last step is actually getting the money out.
The withdrawal.
Yeah, and that's the final wall. Our sources say tiny amounts might go through, but anything substantial it gets stuck. It might take weeks, or it might just disappear from your balance entirely.
Okay, so with all this inconsistency, the issues with payments, the trouble getting your money out, what's the final verdict from our sources? Is it a scam?
They are careful not to use the word scam, but the verdict is, well, it's pretty damning. It is explicitly not a reliable earning app.
Not a stable financial tool.
Not at all. It's basically a high-risk gamble. So for anyone out there who's still curious, there are some safety guidelines from these reviews that you just can't ignore.
And we need to get these full attention because this is what keeps you safe. What are the rules?
Rule number 1, you have to treat it with extreme caution. Never, ever add a large amount of cash or link it to your main bank account.
The one you can't afford to have issues with.
Precisely. And you should always test it first. Do a tiny transaction. See if a tiny bit of cash back actually makes it to your bank.
And if it doesn't?
You stop. You just stop using it for anything important.
Yeah.
And you absolutely do not depend on it for real income or for payments that need to be on time.
So when you're looking at these apps that promise easy money, what you're really doing is trading reliability for the chance at a bonus.
And that brings us to the final thought we want to leave you with. Given that this app's success really just comes down to luck and promotions, what's the hidden cost here?
You mean beyond the money?
Exactly. Think about the time, the mental energy you spend chasing these inconsistent rewards. How does that stack up against the peace of mind you get from a standard, boring, but totally reliable payment system?
Yeah.
That trade-off is often way more expensive than any cash back you might get.